So you want to download Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Vault Edition on your PC without overspending? Don't worry, I will show you how to download this game completely legally on an official platform without overspending. So what we need to do is go to Google, open your Google browser, and after that I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now once you have done that, we need to quickly search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game. So please stick with us till the end and you will be set up within a couple of minutes. Go to the Steam website, search up the game Call of Duty Black Ops 7, select the game and open the game page. Scroll a little bit down, you will find the normal edition but also the Vault edition. Now as you can see, the Vault edition is quite expensive, €109.99, but don't worry, we have a workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you need to do is go to the video description. Click on the link where it says Find Game Here, and then you will be redirected to this page. Here we are going to search for the same game, Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Then select games on the left side, then sort by price lowest first, scroll a little bit down till you will find the Call of Duty Black Ops 7 for PC. Always make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. You need to be able to activate this game in your country. So select the game once you have found one. Then make sure you select the Vault edition over here. And after that you will find out that we can already download this game for €78.37 compared to the Steam price of €109.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games. So once you have purchased this game through this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam, or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!